Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see this question over here, that is if 2y plus 1 divided by 2y is equal to L and 2y minus 1 by 2y is equal to M. So we have to find the value of L square minus M square. So now let us start with this if for the first part. So now what we can do here, if we square both the sides for this one. So just I wrote it instead of squaring first here. Anyways, you can do it. So I took here this one and this over here and I square both the sides. So now after squaring, this will be as it is. So you know this is in the form of a plus b whole bracket square. So you know the formula for that, a plus b whole bracket square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is a, this is b. So a square means 2y square plus 2, this one a, and this is b plus b square. B square means this is going to be, this is b square. So now what are you going to do? When we see many of them make a mistake over here, they write just 2y square, but it's not like that. You have to multiply this as well as this one. So it is going to be 2 2s are 4 and 4y square plus, now look at here, this and this is going to get cancelled. So what remains here is 2. Again this, okay, this you are going to multiply this and this one for, again for this one 2y square. So that is going to be 4y square. So 1 by 4y square. And then this is for this L square. Now let us take the other part, that is this one, M is equal to 2y minus 1 by 2y. So this is here. So again this you are going to square both the sides. So M square would be, again you will square this side. So this is the other formula, that was a plus b whole bracket square. This is a minus b. So this is going to be what? A minus b whole bracket square. So that will be only the difference between both the formulas, a minus b whole bracket square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square, and a plus b, what is the difference here? Now see here, this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Only in both of them there is a difference. Here is plus and here is minus. Hope you got this one. So now here this is a square, this is minus 2ab, this is a square minus 2ab plus this is b square. So this is a and this is b and the square of it. So now again we'll do the same, this into this, this into this, that is going to be 4y square minus 2, this and this is going to get cancelled. So here 2y square plus 1 by this means here and this one, so that is going to be 4y square, 1 by 4y square. So now we first what we are going to do, first we'll find out here this L square and M square. So here what they have asked for, L square minus M square. So we got the value of L square, we got the value of M square. So you're just going to the L square minus M square means you will write first or the value of this L square over here, and you better put a bracket over here because there are 3 terms. So for this whole thing you are going to put a bracket because this is minus, and you will put a bracket, and in the next step you are going to separate it. So this is what we have written over here in the bracket. And then again this will be same, these all are going to be the same, minus 4y square, minus minus becomes plus 2, and again this minus and plus becomes minus, so 1 by 4y square. So L square minus this is the same. What happens here? Plus 4y square minus 4y square gets cancelled, plus 1 by 4y square minus 1 by 4y square gets cancelled. So now what will remain here? 2 plus 2, that is 4. So L square minus M square is 4. So by this one we have completed this question over here. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.
The request is to subscribe to the channel, which is free. By clicking the like and subscribe buttons, you can help to show support and motivate us to continue producing content.